करिए टेक्निकल सौरभ चैनल और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hi friends, I am Sourabh and you are watching YouTube channel Technical Sourabh. Today I am going to do my first unboxing on this channel of a handycam Sony camera. Today this video is in English. If you like this video, please comment down in the comment section and tell me if you want the upcoming videos in English or in Hindi. So let's start. So friends, here is the box of the handycam. Here you can see the Sony written, model number DCR-SX22E. It is having the 2-year warranty. Here down it is the branding here and the image of the handycam with wide LCD. Here are some features which is the highlight of this handycam. Here is the diagram given how you can connect the LCD with the how you can connect the LCD with the handycam or with the laptop. And this side it is given, let me show you the price, and you can see the price here, 13,990 inclusive of all taxes. Okay, now so we are there only. So friends, let me tell you, I have unboxed this video before only, but to show you all I am doing once more. So let's open it. And so here this is the accessories which you can buy with the camera. Not interested. A CD which you can install in a laptop. Oh, user guide, so many user guides which is in Chinese, English and Urdu. And in the box here you can see these are given some specification which is of the handycam. If you want to read it, you can pause the video. Now this is a brand new handycam, highlighted features, so we will come to it later. What is it? This is the wire. I think we have to connect it with the adapter of the charger. So let's see. Oh, very long wire. Oh, this you have to connect with your camera, and this is the adapter which will change the current to DC to AC, and you have to connect this wire here, somewhere here only. So now it is connected and you can charge your camera. And now here, this is the cable with which you can connect your laptop or desktop with the camera. What is it? Oh, this is the battery which you will insert in the camera. You can see here, you can read it. It is Li-ion battery and of 3.6 watt. So now let's move towards the handycam. Now see it, so fancy it is from outside. So here is the branding Sony. You can see the lens here, wide lens. Oh, here we have to insert this battery. How to insert it? It is the recording button. This is here where you will connect your charger to charge it. This is the button which you can click your photos, and to zoom in, zoom out, 17 to extended zoom. Nice belt. It is giving good grip to the camera. Okay. Oh, now it is open. It is having good lens and of 24 megapixel. Here are given some mode. You want this button is for you can see here for cam. This is the camera mode, and this is the video mode, and this is auto eye button, and this is to connect your data cable, and this is to connect your TV with it. Here are some buttons. This is the play button. So here you can see I have recorded some video here. Let me show you. And I can show you some pictures also. You can see how good pictures it can click. Okay, now see, it is the light button. Now the light is on. It's not so good, but yes, you can use this handycam for professional purpose also. Here you can see the camera focus. It can zoom up to very long distance. You can see it. I hope you like this video. One more good feature it is having that the display can rotate up to 180 degree. You can record your vlogs like this and many other videos. So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends and family. If you have any questions, you can ask down in the comment section.